how much smaller they are than I thought. Oh, that one has something in its mouth.
What? Where?
It looks like,
Oh, wow.
I don't know, there's a lot. See?
Oh yeah. Look.